Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to delete the NASA app on an iPhone. We'll begin by going to the Settings app, which is this right here. So I'm going to click on that. And then usually this is the home page, and that's what it looks like. On the very top, you should see the search bar. Otherwise, if you don't see it, I think if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you should be able to find the NASA app. But the easiest way is to just scroll all the way to the top and click over here in the search bar. Actually, no. Instead of the search bar, let's go. So you go to settings, scroll down, click over here where it says general, and then click over here on iPhone storage. And it's gonna load all the apps. It sometimes takes a minute. But as it's doing that, you have two options of finding the app. You can either search over here on the upper right hand corner, or otherwise wait for the apps to load and go find the NASA app. Sometimes if you go back and let's do this, it sometimes loads faster when you do that. It doesn't want to cooperate. But it will either be on the bottom of here, or you can just search on the upper right hand corner. So I'm gonna click on the magnifying glass over here. And it seems like it doesn't let me search for it until it's loading. So it's taking a minute. Come on, come on. I'm gonna close it, then try to reopen. Let's see if it's gonna come faster that way. So I'm following the exact same steps. Alright, so once he has loaded, you can find the app by going down this list of apps, or if you click over here on the upper right hand corner, click on the magnifying glass, and you should be able to search for it that way. So I'm gonna search for NASA. As you can see, it comes up, and I'll tap on it. And then towards the bottom over here, I have the option to delete app. So I'm going to click on that and then confirm on the bottom where it says delete app. And it takes a minute. And there you go. That's how you can delete the NASA app on an iPhone. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below.